Hello, and welcome to Writing the Abstract here at the University of Maryland, University College. Hi, I'm David Taylor, your host, and today we're going to talk about writing this thing right here, the abstract. The abstract is exactly what it says. Your goal in writing an abstract is literally to abstract or extract the essential information from the things that you read. Now, your goal in this assignment number 1, writing the abstract, is twofold. Goal number 1 is to analyze the things that you read so that you can extract or abstract from them their 4 essential ingredients. And those 4 essential ingredients are, number 1, their purpose and objective, their thesis, their goal, their reason for being, the overall point, the gist, the kernel, their purpose and objective, being able to abstract it and express it in one sentence of your own. Next thing you're going to be looking for is the methods that that scholar used to study his or her subject, or perhaps the experimental methods that the experimenter used to conduct the experiment. The third thing you're going to look for is the results. In other words, what did that scholar find when he or she studied? What did that researcher find when he or she conducted that experiment? And then the fourth thing, what were the conclusions or inferences drawn by that scholar or that researcher based upon his or her study and experiment? So you're going to find those 4 things in an article that you're going to read, and you're going to express them in a clear, concise, well-written abstract. The second goal is, of course, to practice that writing, because you're going to be writing as well as reading abstracts throughout your graduate career here at UMUC. Now, to help you with this assignment, I want to take you to our classroom and show you some of the materials that I want you to make sure that you take a look at. The first thing I want you to take a look at is in the conferences. In the second thread, I have posted 3 links for you, and I want you to take a look particularly at this link right here from the University of Mississippi Writing Center. When you go there, you're going to find that they describe 2 kinds of abstract. The descriptive abstract, and that's a 1 or 2 sentence summary. That's not what you're writing. That's what you sometimes see in shortened abstracts and bibliographic databases. What you're going to be writing is the informative abstract. So take a look at that website from the University of Mississippi. You'll also see a list here of 4 other things to look at, and believe me, if you simply write 1 or 2 or 3 sentences about each of those things right there, put those sentences together with transitions, you'll have a great abstract. Never be or never let your supervisor or your teacher be the second person to read something you have written. You're always the first person. In between you and that person doing the evaluating, the supervisor or the teacher, put somebody else to help you proofread. Never let the teacher or the supervisor see it after you, because listen, it is 100% impossible for an author to 100% proofread their own work accurately. You just can't do it. Psychologically, it's impossible for you to proofread your own work accurately. Put somebody in between yourself and that teacher and that supervisor. Have them read what you've written, have them read it out loud, and just circle the things that they have questions about. You do that, and I guarantee that your writing will improve quite a bit.